Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Riviere-au-Renard is a charming community on the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. Nestled along the Gulf of St. Lawrence, this picturesque town offers breathtaking views and a rich history. Rivière-au-Renard was originally settled in the 1790s by French-Canadian and Irish families. One of the key moments in its history was in 1847, when many Irish immigrants arrived after the sinking of the Québec ship, and many chose to stay here. Over the years, Rivière-au-Renard has grown, and today it's part of the larger town of Gaspé. The town is surrounded by stunning landscapes, with beautiful coastlines, forests, and the Rivière-au-Renard National Park nearby. It's an ideal spot for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and wildlife watching. The area has been an important fishing hub, especially for cod, and the town's marina remains a central part of life here. From the picturesque Club Nautique Rivière-au-Renard Marina to local landmarks, Rivière-au-Renard is a must-visit for those seeking a taste of Quebec's coastal life. Whether you're looking to relax by the water, explore nature, or dive into the local history, this lovely town has something for everyone.
you.